Hi everyone, it's Erin Cochran, the House Whisperer from RevealingRedesign.com, and today I want to talk to you about summer. It's the beginning of summer and the weather is beautiful today. It has been for a few days, and it's time to freshen things up, air things out, and invite Mother Nature into our homes, I believe. It's one of the most important parts of making our homes cozy and inviting, I believe, is having elements of nature in it. And at this time of year, it's a great opportunity for us to open up the windows, open up the doors, let some fresh air in, and also bring things from the garden inside, such as flowers, some branches, something so that there's that blurring of the lines between outside and in. It's a time for us to slow down and really enjoy the fruits of the season and the slower pace and more downtime. So how can our houses help us to do that? Well, I hope that you have a little place outside your house to sit outside and enjoy the bird song and the sunshine. I'm out on my deck right now, and we have created a lot of spaces around our house where we like to linger and enjoy being outside. It's one of my favorite things. I have a front porch where I sit. I've done videos from there, you may have seen. I have a number of gardens along the front walk to my house. I have this deck area back here where my husband has a garden railroad. We have a lot of areas where we come outside to spend time in nature and relax and enjoy. If you're not planning on traveling this summer, or you can't spend a lot of time away this summer, this is a great way to really make your house so much more relaxing and supportive in the summer months, is making sure that you have a little area with some gardens, a plant or two if you don't like to garden, even if they're just in pots. Maybe a wind chime, which we have here, a bird feeder, something that draws nature closer to you. And I think it just really helps us to find peace and enjoyment at home. All right, I hope you're enjoying these beautiful days, and I will see you next week.